The roof construction at Camp Nou has now reached a defining stage, marking one of the most complex and ambitious engineering milestones in the entire redevelopment project. Over recent weeks, significant progress has been made in assembling the radial steel structure that will support the stadium's massive canopy. The installation of the primary radial beams is now largely visible, extending outward from the central compression ring. These beams form the backbone of the roof, creating a circular framework that distributes structural loads evenly across the stadium. Engineers have carefully aligned each beam with precision, ensuring stability while maintaining the architectural symmetry of the design. At the heart of the roof system lies the tension ring, a crucial structural element that balances the outward forces generated by the radial beams. This ring is now partially completed and is beginning to take its final shape. Its role is essential in maintaining the integrity of the entire roof system, allowing the structure to remain lightweight while still being incredibly strong. Another key development is the ongoing installation of secondary steel members. These elements connect the primary beams and provide additional support for the roofing membrane. Their installation requires high levels of coordination as each component must fit perfectly within the already complex framework. Cranes continue to dominate the skyline around the stadium, lifting large steel segments into position. These operations are being carried out with extreme precision, often requiring millimeter-level accuracy. Workers are operating at significant heights, carefully securing each section while maintaining strict safety standards. The roof is designed not only as a structural feature, but also as a functional one. Once completed, it will cover a vast portion of the seating areas, providing protection from weather conditions while maintaining an open and airy atmosphere inside the stadium. The design allows natural light to filter through, enhancing the overall spectator experience. Cable systems are also being integrated into the structure. These high-tension cables play a vital role in stabilizing the roof and distributing loads efficiently. Their installation is a delicate process, requiring precise tensioning to ensure optimal performance. One of the most impressive aspects of the roof construction is the scale of coordination involved. Multiple teams are working simultaneously on different sections, ensuring steady progress without compromising quality. The sequencing of tasks is critical as each phase depends on the successful completion of the previous one. Weather conditions have also been a factor influencing the pace of construction. However, despite occasional challenges, the project continues to move forward at a strong and consistent rate. As the structure continues to rise, the overall vision of the new Camp Nou is becoming more tangible. The roof is not just an addition, it is a transformation that redefines the stadium's identity. It represents a shift toward modern engineering, sustainability, and enhanced fan experience. In the coming weeks, further progress is expected in the installation of the outer ring and the preparation for the roofing membrane. Once these elements are in place, the stadium will begin to take on its final, iconic appearance. The fade system of Camp Nou is also undergoing rapid development with visible progress now reshaping the stadium's exterior. The installation of fade panels is a crucial step in defining the stadium's modern architectural identity. Workers have begun installing large modular panels around different sections of the stadium. These panels are designed to create a sleek, continuous outer layer that wraps around the entire structure. Their installation requires careful alignment to ensure a uniform and visually appealing finish. Each panel is engineered with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. The materials used are lightweight yet durable, allowing the fade to withstand environmental conditions while maintaining its structural integrity. Additionally, the panels are designed to enhance ventilation, enabling natural airflow throughout the stadium. One of the most distinctive features of the fade is its dynamic design. The panels are not simply flat surfaces, they are arranged in a way that creates depth and texture. This gives the stadium a modern and futuristic appearance, especially when viewed from a distance. Installation is being carried out in phases, with teams working on multiple sections simultaneously. This approach ensures efficiency while maintaining high-quality standards. Specialized equipment is being used to lift and position the panels, allowing for precise placement even at significant heights. Another important aspect of the facade system is its integration with lighting elements. Once completed, the exterior will be capable of displaying various lighting effects, transforming the stadium into a vibrant landmark during nighttime events. The progress made so far indicates that the facade will play a major role in redefining the visual identity of Camp Nou. It is not just an outer layer, but a key component of the stadium's overall design and functionality. The development of the surrounding surface areas at Camp Nou is progressing steadily, contributing to the overall accessibility and functionality of the stadium complex. These works focus on improving the external environment, ensuring smooth movement for visitors, and enhancing the overall experience. Construction teams are actively working on paving large sections around the stadium. These surfaces are being designed to handle heavy foot traffic, especially during major events. High-quality materials are being used to ensure durability and long-term performance. Drainage systems are also being installed beneath the surface. These systems are essential for preventing water accumulation and maintaining safe walking conditions during adverse weather. Proper planning and execution are crucial to ensure efficient water management. In addition to paving, landscaping efforts are beginning to take shape. Green areas are being incorporated into the design, creating a balanced environment that combines urban functionality with natural elements. These spaces will provide areas for relaxation and gathering, enhancing the overall atmosphere of the stadium. Access routes and pathways are being carefully planned to ensure smooth movement of crowds. Wide walkways and clearly defined entry points will help manage large numbers of visitors efficiently. This is particularly important for maintaining safety during high-capacity events. Another key focus is the integration of transportation links. The surrounding infrastructure is being designed to connect seamlessly with public transport systems, making it easier for fans to enter the stadium. This will significantly improve accessibility and reduce congestion. Lighting installations are also part of the surface development. These will enhance visibility and safety during nighttime events, while also contributing to the overall aesthetic appeal of the area. As construction continues, the surface areas are gradually transforming into a modern, well-organized space that complements the stadium itself. These developments are essential in ensuring that Camp Nou is not only a world-class venue inside, but also an exceptional environment outside.